What's up, YouTube? I got my box. I didn't open it yet. I'm super sick, so don't mind me. But I was trying to wait for the premium box, but that's not going to come until Monday. So unfortunately, but I wanted to get this video. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning here where I'm at in Massachusetts. So, yeah. We're going to open this. I'm so excited. This is how the inside is. Sorry guys, I look crazy too. I didn't even get dressed yet. And there's that. So first, we got stickers. If I can get them out. We got stickers. So they say, can't relate. Hi, how are you? Blue-blooded, frosty, has a lipstick, blend bit, can't say the swear word, and beauty killer, YSOTP, and Jeffree Star approved. Super cute. Okay. I don't know, I might give these to my daughter, or maybe I'll just save them. I'm not sure. But I seen the spoilers for this different stuff, and I was like, but I had like seen different variations, so you know, I didn't know what I would get. So that's pretty interesting. I wonder how much these cost. The box was $20, and it says it had a value of, I believe, $44. So next, I got a lip ammunition in the shade Celebrity Skin. Okay, let's open this up. It did have a seal on it, so which is good. Well, actually, that wasn't a seal, so. But it was closed. That's good. Oh, it's super pretty. The only thing I have by Jeffree Star is the Conspiracy palette and the Jawbreaker palette. So this is my first ever lip product. This is the shade. Super pretty. It smells like, I don't know. It's a really nice nude color. Okay, so that was that. And next is, wow, I'm disappointed in this one. Posh Spice. It's a really ugly color, but hey, whatever. I'd rather this than green, honestly. What are you gonna do? Beggars can't be choosers, right? So let's give this a little swatchy swatch. It's this one. Let's see how this would look over this. I mean, it's not bad. Maybe if I had a full face of makeup on. I don't know. But, yeah, my overall rating of this box, out of 10, I'd say, I don't want to give it like a 6, but I feel like it's just not like, I don't think this is something that I would buy. Maybe this one, the Lippy Ammunition in the shade Celebrity Skin. But I don't know if I would go to the store and actually purchase this. And stickers. I really honestly didn't expect this. Because, like, I've been watching, like, a lot of boxes on, you know, unboxing videos. And I've seen people get, like, you know, different bright colors and lip scrubs and all that. And then previous unboxings I've seen, what's those called? Little pop sockets. So this is pretty interesting to get this. So, I believe both of these retail for $18. So 18 plus 18, 36. So, plus stickers, I'd say, you know, pretty good steal for $20. But yeah, so this is everything in the box, of course, that it came in. Sorry, excuse the dog outside. Yeah, let's talk real quick. So I posted a video on the spoilers, and it's funny because all this stuff before I even seen unboxings, like, that was the stuff that was in there, you know? So I just thought that was quite interesting. And I liked his Jawbreaker palette, but the conspiracy one, it wasn't that good to me. Like, to me, it was like, why did I spend this money? There's a couple of good shades, like, but honestly, like, it's just not, you know, like, honestly, it's not worth it, like, to buy that palette. Was it, like, $52? So, yeah, it was totally not worth it to me. But, let's see how well this wipes. What do you guys think about my box? Do you think that it was a good box? Do you think that this is products that you want in your box? Would you purchase these products for your kids, like your family members? Do you dislike the colors? I've been hearing a lot of negative things about this one. They said it doesn't look like a good color. Let's see. Yeah, it's like, compare them. It doesn't feel too drying on the lips, which is good, you know? So, to me, it's like, it's fine. Like, would I compare it to any other lip products? Let me see. Probably the NYX ones or the Too Faced Matte Liquid Lips. I would compare that to that. And this came off really well. Let's see. That's how it comes off. I'm just afraid that, like, if, you know, if I got food or something to drink, like, it wouldn't stay on all day, you know? Which that's kind of concerning to me. But, yeah, that's everything. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I'm sick. I appreciate the views. I appreciate you guys watching me. And thank you to my subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification bar. And bye. See you for the next unboxing video of this. Bye.